2023 Chevrolet Traverse. With less than 22,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.